A couple other neat items we'd like to tell you about that we do here at GearFX Driveline is indexing in our pinion yoke to the pinion shaft splines. The reason we do this is to make sure that the U-joint is perfectly lined up with the pinion. This is something we learned in racing, and it makes a big difference when you're going 200 miles an hour at Talladega to make sure that all those boxes are checked. We feel it's also important to do in the high performance aftermarket. The other neat item that we offer is a service for dynoing your rear gear. We have a really nice dyno that we can install your gear in. We measure rolling torque, we measure temperatures, and we also measure sound. I think I spoke earlier about having a threshold for the sound, that we don't let any of our street gears go out if they don't meet that threshold. So once we've built your gear and we've shipped it to you, you'll find in the box that we have this rear gear birth certificate. One of the neat things about this is that it gives you all the detailed information about your specific gear, when it was built, who built it, who checked off on it, what the settings were before it left our building, and if you've chosen to have your gear dynoed, it also has all this information at the bottom that details the dyno. So should you run into any issues in the future, should you sell your gear and somebody else wants to know the information, they can go off the serial number on the gear, give us a call, we can go into our database, we can pull up all this exact same information and tell them how the gear was built. The other thing is on the back of this is our break-in procedures. So it lines out specifically how to break in your rear gear to get the best life and durability out of your rear gear.